The base RAV4 smells like popcorn due to its practicality, fuel efficiency, and cheap maintenance. Faster, fuel-efficient RAV4 Hybrid and Prime provide butter. The Prime plug-in hybrid can outpace a 4-cylinder Toyota Supra to 60 miles per hour and 42 miles on electricity. It gets 38 mpg overall. When combined with the RAV4's gorgeous exterior and pleasant cabin, the hybrids are easy to compare. Toyota missed out on style by adding electric motors. Other hybrids, like the Honda CR-V, Hyundai Tucson, and Kia Sportage, handle better than the RAV4 Hybrid and Prime. The RAV4 receives Army Green this year, like Toyota's larger trucks and SUVs. The color will be on the rugged Woodland Edition Hybrid, Adventure, and TRD off-road trims. Adventure and TRD off-road models include complimentary Army Green, whereas Woodland Edition Midnight Metallic Black tops cost $500. You may now match the Woodland's ice cap exterior with a black roof. The weather option adds a leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated front seats, and rain-sensing wipers with a de-icer to the Woodland Edition's 1.25-inch activity mount for a bike rack or cargo carrier. The Adventure and TRD Off-Road have black or white roofs. Our XLE trim increases standard features without boosting the price. The XLE has LED fog lights, heated exterior mirrors, 18-inch wheels, a power lift gate, passive keyless entry, synthetic leather seats, soft touch armrests, a power-adjustable driver's seat, a sunroof, blind spot. The RAV4 Hybrid has a 2.5-liter, 4-cylinder engine, CVT, and 2 electric motors. One electric motor powers the back axle and provides 219 horsepower, giving all RAV4 Hybrid grades all-wheel drive. E-motors and output make the RAV4 Hybrid faster and more efficient. The Woodland Edition trim reached 60 miles per hour in 7.3 seconds, while the gas-only vehicle took 8.0. In town, the electric motor's quick torque delivery gives drivers more energy when starting from a stop. The plug-in hybrid RAV4 Prime boosts performance. The Prime produces 302 horsepower with stronger electric motors. In our tests, the RAV4 Prime achieved 60 miles per hour in 5.6 seconds. Like the regular RAV4, the Hybrid and Prime handle and ride nicely, although cornering is lacking. The plug-in hybrid RAV4 Prime hides a 42-mile EPA electric range and an 18.1 kWh battery pack. We tested 32 miles of interstate driving on power, but we expected more in the city. And the Prime Set and Prime XSE, Toyota's 6.6 kWh charger takes 2.5 hours at 240 volts. Expect a 12-hour 120-volt charge. The RAV4 Hybrid and Prime have more beautiful interiors than the non-hybrid, but they still prioritize functionality. The buttons and controls are simple, and there are plenty of cubbies and bins for little objects. Base models come with tilting and telescoping steering wheels, dual-zone automatic climate control, and a cargo false floor. Higher-spec models have heated front and rear seats, ambient lighting, and Toyota Softex full leather upholstery. While the hybrid has the same cargo and passenger room, the RAV4 Prime's larger battery limits cargo capacity. 10 carry-on bags fit behind the second row, and 22 with the backseat folded in our RAV4 Hybrid test.